Hi people, this is Rishabh here from India, and this is my entry to the Junior Breakthrough Challenge 2016. This video is dedicated to all those minutes wasted trying to expand a trinomial in the longest and most irritating way possible. It does teach us how to give up. Scared that trinomials will continue to haunt, terrify, and tire you for the rest of your life? Absolutely not, because here I am to the rescue. And so, I present to you a method, no, my method, to rock trinomial expansions. So, I am going to use Boolean algebra and geometry, two familiar concepts, to find the trinomial expansion. Just to remind you, plus means or and into means and in Boolean algebra. Now then, I am going to take a cube made up of smaller cubes with the x, y and z axis marked. Assuming you can move only the positive x, y and z directions, I am going to find the number of ways you can reach each point. It's immediately evident that for any point along the axis, there's only one way to reach it. If I give you a point close by, you're just going to count manually and tell me. But then, if I give you a point farther away, then it becomes complex. So, we need an empirical formula, and for that, I'm going to take a single cube from the bigger cube. Let x be the number of ways you can reach this point, y the number of ways to this point, and z to this point. It's immediately evident that there's only one way to reach the target from each of these 3 points. That is, via x, there's only one way to reach this point, so there's still going to be only x ways to reach this point. So the total number of ways to reach the target is x plus y plus z ways. So if I ask you the number of ways to this point, you're immediately going to say 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And so you can find the number of ways to any point by progressively finding from the origin. Mathematics is just a code, right? So I'm going to assign A as moving once in the positive x direction, B as moving once in the positive y direction, and C as moving once in the positive z direction. So the code for that point there is going to be A into A, since we have to move A twice, and so it's going to be A square. And filling up for other points, we get this. Now, here comes the tricky part. A plus B plus C whole to the power of n is just a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c and so on n times, right? Since plus is or, a plus b plus c is just moving once either a or b or c. And so a plus b plus c whole to the power of n is all the paths that you can take if you have n moves, with each move being either a or b or c. It's immediately obvious now that all the points that you can reach in n moves will have a code of degree n. Like for example, a plus b plus c whole to the power of 5 gives you all the points you can take when you have 5 moves, each being either a or b or c. And the final destination will always have a code of degree 5. Let's now find the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole cube, just to convince you that my method is easier. That is, find all the paths that you can take if you have 3 moves, with each move being either A or B or C. First, we find all the points that you can reach in 3 moves, that is, all the points which have a code of degree 3. Next, we find the number of paths to each point, but wait, we already know that. So then, the expansion would just be the sum of the product of each point's code and the number of ways to get there. So then, the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole cube would be a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3a square c plus 3ac square plus 3b square c plus 3bc square and plus 6abc. And I'm going to leave it to you to check that, or you can just take my word for it. And so you can find any trinomial expansion very easily. Besides getting extra time in your examination, you get brownie points among your friends too. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Last but not the least, extremely sorry for the accent. I'm Indian, can't really help it. Please like the video and hope this doesn't affect my breakthrough challenge hopes.